In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change IE or Google Chrome cache location. We'll focus on Chrome since Internet Explorer is now deprecated, and this method is the most practical for modern Windows setups. Moving the browser cache can help free up space on your system drive or place the cache on a faster or larger disk for better performance. Start with Chrome closed so it can pick up the change cleanly. Find the Google Chrome shortcut you actually use. On your desktop, start menu or taskbar, right-click that Chrome icon. If you're on Windows 11 and you see the compact menu, choose Show More Options to bring up the classic context menu that includes everything we need. From that menu, click Properties. In the Properties window, make sure you're on the Shortcut tab. Look for the target field. It shows the full path to chrome.exe in quotes. Click into that field and move your cursor to the very end of the line after the closing quote. Add a single space, then paste this parameter exactly as shown. Disk cache dir d+chrome. You can replace d+chrome with any folder path you prefer, including a different drive letter. If your folder path has spaces, keep the quotes around it. Don't delete or alter the existing Chrome exe path, just add a space and then the parameter. And note it starts with 2 hyphens. Click Apply. If Windows asks for permission, confirm to proceed, then click OK to close the window. That's it. The next time you open Chrome using this shortcut, it will create and use the cache at the new location. If you want to confirm, browse a few sites and then look in your chosen folder to see that files were created. A couple of tips to make this stick. This change applies to the specific shortcut you edited. If you launch Chrome from a different shortcut that wasn't modified, it will use the default cache location. To keep things consistent, pin or use the shortcut you just updated or repeat the same change on any other Chrome shortcuts you rely on. If you ever want to revert, go back to Properties, remove the disk cache part from the target field, click Apply and OK. For those wondering about Internet Explorer, its cache location was historically managed through its Internet options, but since IE is retired, it's best to use a modern browser like Chrome. With that, you've successfully redirected Chrome's cache to a location that better fits your storage and performance needs.